Good, good.
How was that for you? Assess the race for me?
The race was good. I got out well. There was a part that I kind of relaxed. I think maybe hurdle 4 and 5. Kind of got off the gas a little bit, and then I went again. So that's a little bit of a flaw, but also a reflection of being fatigued. So I'm happy with the 12:67. I've had Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of just training really hard, going after it.
Why is that? Are you trying to load up preparation for Daegu?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is, right? Because you back off for U.S. National, so you can make the team. If you don't run, if you run in 12:6, you're on the borderline of not making the team. So you have to run 12:4, 12:5.
It's almost like peaking twice, isn't it?
It is. It's peaking twice.
Is that a situation you're okay with and now had to deal with after experience of dealing with, or is it quite new?
Well, you have to trust your coach and understand that we don't run until September 2nd and 3rd. So if you back off and not train, you're not going to have anything for Daegu. So you just have to mentally. So where the maturity comes in, mentally stay into it, train hard, and know it's going to come.
It's been a consistent season.
It has been a very consistent season.
So you must be happy going into today.
I'm extremely happy about it. Thank you.